Okay, we're going over to the Des Plaines River. You can see the water's really high there.
Way up, that's the Des Plaines River.
And that's Accent Lake, right on the other side of it. We're on 2 Talcott Road now. We're going eastbound towards Park Ridge. We're in Park Ridge now. We're just past the border. And we're going by the old haunted cemetery where I saw that ghost, where I filmed scenes for my movies, Frankenstein Stalks, like where the monster's chasing Janet through the cemetery and she punches him over by the crypt. And that's right here at Town of Maine Cemetery, right there. Movies and some scenes for the Real Ghost Stories DVD, yeah, and also for Frankenstein Stalks, and some scenes for a bunch of my movies. Okay, I'll see you. And I'm gonna get my Monster Bash shirt and see Big Frankenstein, Monster Bash, Glenn Strange Frankenstein from Abbott and Costello Meet Frankenstein, my favorite Frankenstein and my favorite monster. Roar.